16 through 18. The whole armor cries, yeah, armor on. And even if they take my life away, I'ma stay with you. You are my shepherd, you're my amazing grace, and I can't wait till I see your face. Yeah, I gotta raise above all things, has molded me a soldier of Christ. Yeah, yeah, I'ma lay down my life, surrendering all my pride. I know that obstacles will rise, but I'm gonna fly. Lens from head to feet, equipped to protect me. My life, my whole life, the scriptures telling me, Ephesians 16 through 18. The whole armor cries, yeah. Got my back against the wall, I'ma cast my cares upon thee, and I won't even move at all. I'ma hold my ground and wait, even when the enemy's at my gate. My soul you sing, oh what a price you pay, with the life you gave on the cross that day. You overcame that grave and made my sins all wash away. I was bedeviled by a darkness that surrounded me, but then your light, it came in to save me. Lens from head to feet, equipped to protect me. My life, my whole life, the scriptures telling me, Ephesians 16